Yan guys, hello guys. Magluluto na naman tayo ng liver. Yan, liver guys. Ito liver guys. Liver lang guys. Yan, mekos-mekos na yan guys. Mekos-mekos guys. Mekos-mekos guys. Naluto yan sa sarili niyang lasa guys. Walang kung anik-anik guys. Walang oyster. Walang magic-magic na yan guys. Pero masarap guys. Tikman natin guys. Tikman natin. Yan, tikman natin yan guys. Hmm? 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 Ang sarap guys. Ang sarap. Pwede na tong pang-ulam guys. Mahal ng serve nito sa restaurant guys. Yan guys, ihain na natin guys. Yan. Ihain